How to use Canva Mobile to make YouTube thumbnails. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can use Canva Mobile to make YouTube thumbnails and fast. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So first of all you have to do is open up your Canva. Locate the app and then open it up. After you open up your Canva, let it load and log in into your account. After you log in into your account, head over to the search template section and search for YouTube thumbnail. After you search for YouTube thumbnail, you can then browse through different types. Let me just go back. You can browse through different types of thumbnails for yourself. So they can see multiple thumbnails. So if you want a traveling type, you can see this complete tour guide template. You can find must visit type of thumbnails, travel vlogs, and many more. So just choose the type of thumbnail that you want, and just select one. And from here you can start making edits. You can change the image here. So you can change the image here. Let's delete this and then add a new image. So you can add a new image here, and you can change the text as well, and you can add your letters and everything. And then after you're done with that, you can export your thumbnail by tapping on the top right option here. You'll see the download option. Tap on download and save this image, and which you can later use it in your thumbnail. And that's how you do it, guys, and that is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.